Hey folks, Shawn Plummer over at the Annuity Expert. In today's video, I'm answering the question, should I talk to a tax advisor before taking annuity income? Yeah, in a lot of situations, it's not a bad idea to talk to your tax professional. I would say if you have a tax accountant and you aren't doing TurboTax or H&R Block, which most of you aren't, yeah, I think it's a good idea to talk to them because you got to worry about Social Security and Medicare, and you don't want to mess anything up with that, especially if you have you're on a fixed income or or on the other end of the spectrum, you're a high net worth individual. Okay, so I think that extra layer of uh, of advice is the way to go because the difference is if you buy an annuity, the best place to buy an annuity is through an annuity broker like the Annuity Expert. Why? Because they have the largest selection of annuity products in the United States. They're going to be able to work on your behalf at no cost to you to find you the best annuity for your specific situation. Okay. The tax advisor then has your overall landscape of what your tax environment is, right? They know how much money you bring in each year. They know what the state laws are. They know what the federal laws are. They know how much for IRMAA. They know Social Security. They just know everything financially about your situation. And they're going to be able to, and it's worth having a conversation. The other area is when you get into like advanced markets situations where, let's just say you retired early and you've become successful, and let's say you want to retire at age 50 as an example, and you're like, okay, well, I've got $1 million tied up in a 401k, and this is my main part of my nest egg. What's the best route at taking this money? Should I do a 72T and get a fixed payment until age 59 and a half for the next 10 years? Or should I take money from other places? Should I do a Roth conversion? Should I, or maybe on the other end of the spectrum, you're age 73, coming upon age 73, and hey, I got to take an RMD. What's my RMD amount? How do I maintain it? How can the annuity protect my original investment and still take RMDs each and every year? The taxes on the RMD. There's all these different scenarios is basically what I'm saying in a long way. When you buy an annuity, contact your tax advisor. I would recommend finding the annuity first, then go talk to the tax advisor. Why? Because most tax advisors aren't highly educated in annuity products like an annuity broker is. So they may give you an answer that's kind of a blanket answer amongst all the different types of annuities because the tax advisor doesn't know any better. Let me give you an example. Here at the Annuity Expert, we have over 1,500 different annuity contracts. Okay. That tax advisor may have a high level knowledge of annuity income just at a 300-foot level answer, right? Well, the answer might change based on what the annuity contract is going to do for you, right? So you would be doing it in reverse if you were to go to them first, then talk to an annuity broker. Talk to the annuity broker first, then go to the tax advisor. Let the tax advisor check the thought process behind what we recommend for you. Then they can give you, instead of giving you a high level answer, they can give you very specific advice for your very specific situation. So yeah, that's a roundabout way. The answer is yes. It's a good idea. It's worth paying the money for a tax advisor to get the advice. And then you got questions, contact us at the Annuity Expert. We'll answer it for you as best as we can. Or leave a comment below and we'll answer it over the next couple of days. So like, subscribe, leave a comment, and we'll catch you on the next video. See ya.